Hello guys, I am Arvind and in this lecture I am going to discuss translators in C programming. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss these translators. So the first translator is preprocessor. So a preprocessor is a program that processes its input data to produce output, and that is used as an input to another program. The output is said to be preprocessed form of the input data. So now moving on to next topic, and that is compiler. So compiler is a translator program which converts the high level language to the corresponding machine level language, and it is an example of how the compiler works. So basically the compiler translates the high level language into the machine level language. So now let's go ahead and we'll discuss interpreter. So interpreter is also a program which converts the high level language into the corresponding machine level language, and the interpreter converts source code into object code statement by statement. First it reads a sentence and then translates it into machine level language, and this process is repeated till the last sentence. So now moving on to next topic, and that is compiler versus interpreter. Because as you know that the working of both compiler and interpreter are same. So what is the difference between compiler and interpreter? So compiler reads the source code and then converts the whole program into machine language at a time. But interpreter converts source code into object code instruction by instruction or statement by statement. So first it reads the instruction, then translate it into machine level language, and this process is repeated till the last instruction. So I hope it is clear to you. So now moving on to next topic, and that is linker. So linker is also known as link editor, and that is a program that takes one or more objects files generated by compiler and combines them into a single executable file. So let's go ahead and we'll see the working of linker with the help of an image. So these are the object files that are generated by the compiler, and linker is combining them to create the executable program. And now moving on to next topic, and that is loader. So loader is basically the part of an operating system that is responsible for loading programs from executables into main memory and preparing them for execution and then executing them. So now moving on to next topic, and that is assembler. So assembler is basically a program which converts the assembly language to the corresponding machine language. So I hope it is clear to you, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.